European Union has economic and political and diplomatic and military influence. Let me tell you one thing. European Union, I yesterday I started, and in which I told you about about the European Union and all, and I gave you the homework also. I gave you the homework also in write a comprehensive note on the European Union. So the European Union has economic and political and diplomatic and military influence. यूरोपियन यूनियन इज नॉट अ merely a यूनियन, ये सिर्फ एक यूनियन नहीं है, पूरा यूरोप इसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. Side by side, I will make you in Hindi also to make you understand in Hindi also, so that it should be very clear for you. एक यूरोपीय सबसे पहले तो ये जानो कि अगेन रिवाइजिंग दैट यूरोपियन यूनियन इसलिए इसको इवॉल्व किया गया सो दैट दे कैन diminish the purposefully diminish the value of influence of USA. यूएसए के इन्फ्लुएंस को कम करने के लिए यूरोपियन यूनियन का बनाया गया, एक यूनियन बनाई गई. यूरोपियन यूनियन हैज इट्स ओन फ्लैग. European Union has its own currency. European Union has its own value, currency value. Euro is the currency value. It has its own political agenda, and European Union has its own economic, political, and diplomatic and military influence. ये दूसरे यूरोपियन यूनियन जो है दूसरे वर्ल्ड के दूसरे देशों के ऊपर especially on the developing countries for like India, right? India is a developing country near to the developed country, right? It's very much near to developed country, but still European Union has its own influence militarily, politically, diplomatically. They have their own influence. So अमेरिका के डॉलर को, अमेरिका के पॉलिटिकल और मिलिट्री इन्फ्लुएंस को काउंटर करने के लिए, उसको कम करने के लिए देयर वाज यूरोपियन यूनियन, राइट. द यूनियन यूरोपियन यूनियन इज द वर्ल्ड बिगेस्ट इकोनॉमी. प्लीज अंडरलाइन, you should have your book along with you. Many time I told you, be serious now. If I'm serious about the work, you should be also very serious about the work. Right. So have your pencil. Whenever I say that, please underline that. So you should underline it. I'm not able to watch you, but you are watching yourself. So underline इस sentence को. There are also reservation about including some new economic. Sorry. The European Union has economic, political, and diplomatic and military influence, right? Which I told you just now. And the European Union is the world's biggest economy. World's biggest economy. Euro has its own value in the world market. यूरोपियन यूनियन का अपना एक करेंसी है यूरो. आप कहीं पर भी चले जाइए, यूरो यदि आपके पास है, यू कैन गो एनीवेयर इन द यूरोप, right? Euro is applicable, right? So it is just compared to counter dollars of USA. So the EU is the world's biggest economy with the GDP of $12 trillion in 2005. ये 2005 की बात है. आज की बात है 2020 के अंदर 15,167 बिलियन डॉलर. 15,167 बिलियन डॉलर इनकी इकोनॉमी है. Can you imagine this? Okay. Now, let me tell you one thing. When an instruction is there that you have to write down your name, your roll number, and your all. What the hell you don't want to write over there? समझ नहीं आता आपको एक बार में? मुझे आप डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो. Now their economy is $15,167 billion, slightly larger than that of United States. Again underline this sentence, slightly larger than that of United States. United States से भी ज्यादा बड़ा इनका you know economy है. Its currency is the euro, which I told you just now. Its currency is the euro and can pose a threat to the dominance of US dollar. Its share of the world trade is 3 times larger than that of United States, allowing to become more assertive in trade disputes with the US and China. It means that it in the future, euro can threat dollar in the world economy, world market, world market influence. अभी से ही world economy is it's the second largest. America is the second largest. Euro is the first one, right? So and trade dispute with US and China also. It has its own trade dispute with US, United States and China. चाइना के साथ इसका डिस्प्यूट हो चुका है, right? Then its economic power gives it influence over its closest neighbors as well as in Asia and Africa. Influence कहाँ कहाँ पे करता है? वैसे I told you that euro is influencing throughout the world, right? And European Union is a euro. Euro means European Union का जो market है, it's a separate. It don't want to disturb European Union's market because it is their own market. हम अपने मार्केट को क्यों डिस्टर्ब करेंगे? तो यूरो भी अपने मार्केट को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा. You got it now? Very interesting topic. Now euro want to disturb which market? सबसे पहले तो वो चाइना के मार्केट को डिस्टर्ब चाहता है. उसने कर दिया. It has done. China's market is being disturbed by euro. American market is being disturbed by euro. American dollar is being disturbed by euro because euro is much ahead than much ahead than dollars value. It also influence as Asian Africa के market को भी euro influence करना चाहता है because the Asian market and African market is one of the largest market in the world. एशिया मार्केट आप देख लो ना, इंडिया की मार्केट कितनी बड़ी है, राइट? ट्रिलियन many billion dollars just one product they earn in the summer season. Coca-Cola, these all Coca-Cola brands and all Coca-Cola brands, they use billion and billion dollars just one product. There are many hundreds of products are there in Indian market. You can much imagine how much value they have got into the dollar if they convert it into the dollar. So European Union also wants to disturb and to give the threat to the economy of American economy, means dollars, Asian economy, African economy, and China's economy. China's economy. It also functions as an important bloc in international economic. Here, just give me economic organization such as World Trade Organization. Let me tell you, World Trade Organization, WTO. India ने भी WTO में sign किया था. When the world market was open for Indian market for some some product, because WTO also wants from basically the countries are from European part. Sorry, European they have got basically World Trade Organization. They have the lot of influence of European economy. So World Trade Organization also wants to influence our economy. So you can well imagine our economy is sandwiched between the WTO, then European Union, euro and dollars. China also wants to influence Indian market. अब आपने देखा होगा चाइना के प्रोडक्ट को बंद कर दिया गया, right? So the EU has also political and diplomatic influence. The two members of EU, Britain and France, hold permanent seats in UN Security Council. इनके तो ईयू के तो है ही, ब्रिटेन तो निकल चुका है यूरोपियन यूनियन से. So but they have got the permanent seat in security council में. फ्रांस और इंग्लैंड का permanent seat है. They are the five members veto powers. The EU includes several the EU includes several non-permanent members also of UNC, United Nations Security Council. इसके बहुत सारे members है EU के, European Union के. This has enabled the EU to influence some US policies, such as the current US position on Iran's nuclear program. Its uses of diplomacy, economic investment, and negotiation rather than coercion and military force has been effective, as a case of its dialogue with China on human rights and environmental degradation. Look now, let me tell you one thing. Basically, यूरोपियन यूनियन जो है मार्केट के थ्रू द मार्केट इट वांट्स टू इन्फ्लुएंस द अदर कंट्री. लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग. यदि आपने किसी देश को तबाह करना है, यू डोंट हैव टू गो फॉर द मिलिट्री. आपको मिलिट्री के लिए ऑप्शन की जरूरत नहीं है. यू डिस्ट्रॉय द इकोनॉमी. Just imagine कीजिए, China was very much effective to disturb the economy of India. Very much effective. China wants to enhance its economy policy, military policy by hook or by crook. But European Union don't want to like this. European don't want it like this. They have their own influence of militarily also, but they want to influence their enemy. I don't want to say enemy. I want to say counterpart economy, जो उसको चैलेंज करते यूरोपियन यूनियन की इकोनॉमी को. वन इज चाइना एंड many other countries. America is also there. They want to influence through the economy itself. इकोनॉमी में वो चैलेंज खत्म हो जाते हैं तो धीरे धीरे उनका जो डॉलर है या उनका जो दूसरी करेंसी है डाउन चली जाती है, डिवैल्यूड हो जाती है. तो उनसे उनको बिलियन एंड बिलियन डॉलर्स का फर्क पड़ता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको छोटी सी एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. कुछ दिन पहले देयर वाज अ प्लेयर, उसने क्या किया था, फुटबॉल प्लेयर, कोका कोला की बोतल को हटा दिया था और पानी की बोतल को एक्सेप्ट किया था. I will let you know the player's name by tomorrow. I'm very much not in my mind of the player's name. Right? उसने कोका कोला बोतल हटा दिया था और पानी की बोतल को एक्सेप्ट किया था. Then and there, billions of dollars was loss हो चुका था. billion of dollars loss हो चुका कोका कोला का. कोका कोला lost billion of dollars. Just he passed sideways two Coca-Cola bottles. Economy is, if you want to disturb any one country, disturb the economy. That's all. So this has enabled the US to influence some US policies, such as current US position on the Iran nuclear program. I told you, its use of diplomacy, economic investment and negotiation. ये तीन चीजों को इन्वॉल्व करती है. किस में? डिप्लोमेसी को इन्वॉल्व करती है, राजनीति को इन्वॉल्व करती है, देन इकोनॉमी को इन्वॉल्व करती है, किसी को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए कौन? यूरोपियन यूनियन. एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑल्सो. It wants to, if it says it is going to withdraw the investment or not, it will allow to invest in Europe. So what will happen? They have to lose billion of dollars. उनको बहुत नुकसान हो जाएगा किसी भी कंट्री को. यूरोपियन यूनियन ने अपनी मार्केट की पॉलिसी उनके लिए बंद कर दी तो बहुत नुकसान हो जाएगा. So they knew it because they knew the value of their own currency, euro. They knew that the negotiation is there. How much they influence through negotiation, through economy, and through the diplomatic aspect. So investment and negotiation rather than coercion and military force. वो मिलिट्री फोर्स को यूज नहीं करना चाहती, इससे उनका भी नुकसान है। मिलिट्री को यूज करेगी तो यूरोपियन यूनियन को भी नुकसान। So they don't want to put a minus point on their own economy. Right. So it has been effective as in the case of dialogue with China, human rights and environmental degradation. Next, militarily, here it is. Here I am. Here, right. Militarily, the EU combined armed forces are the second largest in the world. अब आप हमने अपने मिलिट्री की, हमने इकोनॉमी की बात कर ली, हमने पॉलिटिक्स की बात कर ली, हमने डिप्लोमेसी की बात कर ली, एंड डॉलर्स की बात हो गई, डिवैल्यूएशन की बात हो गई. नाउ कम टू द military side also. Why to lag behind in military point of view? Right. Militarily, the EU combined armed forces. Mind it. Please underline कीजिए. Combined armed forces. Combined armed forces are the second largest in the world. Second largest है world में in armed forces. Its total spending on defense is second after the US. US जितना invest करती है armed forces के ऊपर, it is said that US investment is very much higher than any of the countries. Right, but it says that it is next to the US. The two EU member states, Britain and France, also have nuclear arsenal of approximately 550 nuclear warheads. अब तो बहुत ज्यादा हो गया होगा. It said that they have the record of 550 nuclear warheads. European Union is having. It has its own armed forces, combined armed forces of European Union, and it is the second largest investment in the military forces, military. It is also the world's second most important source of space अंतरिक्ष. स्पेस में भी अपना influence रखती है. And communication technology. Which area is lagging behind? It has its own sources in economy also, militarily also, politically also, diplomatically also, space also, science and technology also. It has its own banking policies. What else? It has its own import and export policy. European Union has its own market, economy market, whatever it is, blah blah blah. A biggest part, European Union can challenge any of the country. Even it is challenging now, challenging the dollars of dollar, also of America. So, as super supranational organization, it's a supranational organization. Supranational organization means it's a extraordinary powerful. The EU is able to intervene in economic, political, and social areas, which I told you, what I told you just now. No area is lagging behind from the approach of EU. EU ने सबको approach कर लिया है, right? So, but in many areas, its member states have their own foreign relations and defense policies. Obviously, European Union has its own members, so sometimes the reservation is also there. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप यूरोपियन यूनियन के मेंबर हैं तो जो यूरोपियन यूनियन जो कहेगा आप हाँ में हाँ मिलाते रहिए. पॉसिबल नहीं है. Nobody will do it because it's all every country is now sovereign country. It has its own reservation. Foreign relations, it has it. Many countries they have their own foreign relations and defense policies that are often at odds with each other. The Britain Prime Minister Tony Blair, that time was Tony Blair, not now. Tony Blair was America's partner in the Iraq invasion. जब इराक के ऊपर हमला किया गया था तो ब्रिटेन के प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने they helped Americans. American forces. Iraq invasion and many of the EU's new members made up the US-led coalition of the willing, whereas Germany and France opposed American policy. Germany and France, basically, they are from the European Union, but they oppose America's policy in Iran or in Iraq. They don't, they don't want to go France and Germany to fight direct fight with with the Iraq or Iran. There is also a deep-seated Euroscepticism in some parts of the Europe about the EU's integrationist agenda. Thus, for example, Britain's former Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher kept the UK out of the European market. मैंने अभी आपको कहा था यूरोपियन यूनियन के ऊपर now European Union has less effect and influence in Britain because Britain is out now from European Union. Euro से उसका कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है. It has its own value of its currency, that is pounds. So Margaret Thatcher, what is it did? Margaret Thatcher kept the UK out of the European market. Brexit का नाम सुना है? Britain exit. Brexit. देखिएगा गूगल में या आपके यूट्यूब में जाएगा. What do you mean by Brexit? Brexit का मतलब है Britain exit. Brexit. ब्रिटेन जब यूरो से बाहर निकल गया. Right. So Denmark and Sweden have resisted the Maastricht Treaty and the adoption of the euro. The common European currency is a common European currency. I told you, you go anywhere in Europe, if you have the euro, it's valuable. It's valuable, right? So common European currency is there. This limits the ability of the EU to act matters of foreign relation and defense. यूरोपियन यूनियन जो है बेसिकली इसका अपना एक एजेंडा है. राइट. मेनी कंट्रीज दे आर इन यूरोपियन यूनियन बट दे हैव देयर ओन रिजर्वेशन. राइट. वो उनकी अपनी एक सोच है. वो ये कहते हैं कि जो यूरोपियन यूनियन कह रहा है वी शुड नॉट फॉलो एब्सोल्युटली ऑन द सेम लाइन. वी हैव our own agenda. We are a sovereign country. Whatever European Union is telling us, it's not necessary that you should follow that one. Right? So, इससे क्या होता है? जब when there is a contradiction कहीं से भी हो, इवन आपके फैमिली में contradiction हो, आपके दोस्तों में contradiction हो, आपके कहीं पर भी contradiction हो, तो आपकी ना your power is being challenged. The power is being challenged. Very interesting topic, no? आपके पावर को चैलेंज कर दिया जाता है यदि आपके साथ किसी का कंट्राडिक्शन है. Right. So European Union has its own contradiction, and that contradiction limits the ability of EU. ये EU मतलब यूरोपियन यूनियन की एबिलिटी को कम कर देती है whenever there is a contradiction between the European Union members. सभी तो नहीं अमेरिका का साथ देते. Many countries are there, they don't like Americans. In Iraq and Iran, they don't consider that America is a good friend of them. Right? So अब हमारी बात देख लीजिए. Whenever we think about something, we think about Pakistan or China. I mean, इन दोनों कंट्री से बाहर ही नहीं निकल पा रहे. Because we have the contradiction with China also and with Pakistan also. So contradiction and they diminish your influence. So this limits the ability of EU and European Union to act in the matters of foreign relations and defense. इससे क्या होता है? उनका जो यूरोपियन यूनियन का डिफेंस का स्टेचर है and foreign relation stature, they have to be very careful because lot of European Union, they don't support European Union's agenda in foreign relation and defense relations. आज बस इतना ही. next tomorrow. So I completed my European Union. When I gave you the homework that write down a comprehensive note of UN. So you should write down with the map the complete aspect up to the European Union, that is different. Right. Tomorrow I will have little bit timeline of European integration. Integration matlab jurna, disintegration matlab tootna. So tomorrow I will do this also, timeline of European integration and Association of Southeast Asian Nation, ASEAN. Although ASEAN का अब value कुछ कम हो गई है because India is also NAM is there, right? So but I'm not saying it's absolutely zero now. ASEAN has its own value, but value कभी कभी कम हो जाती है, जैसे currency की value कम हो जाती है, बढ़ जाती है, ठीक है? जैसे ASEAN की value is now the this part is the value and the influence of ASEAN is being diminished now, थोड़ा कम हो चुका है. Okay, thank you to be a part of my class. Take care and have a nice time. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.